Welcome to MKMaintX Facility Maintenance Services, your trusted partner for all your facility maintenance needs. In this video, we'll introduce you to MKMaintX and show you how we can help keep your facilities running smoothly. We are a leading provider of comprehensive facility maintenance solutions. We offer a wide range of services to ensure your facilities are safe, efficient, and well-maintained. Let's take a closer look at the specific services we provide. We handle all types of general repairs and maintenance tasks. Our certified electricians provide top-notch electrical services. We offer comprehensive plumbing services for all your needs. We ensure your HVAC systems are running efficiently and reliably. We provide professional janitorial services to keep your facilities clean and tidy. Here are a few reasons why you should choose MKMaintX for your facility maintenance needs. Our team consists of highly trained and experienced technicians. We pride ourselves on providing reliable and prompt service. We are committed to delivering high-quality workmanship on every job.
Quality work.
We offer cost-effective solutions to meet your budget. Ready to learn more? We'd love to hear from you. Reach out to us for all your facility maintenance inquiries. Request a free quote today and see how we can help you.